what you can do as a young man to avoid being broke when you have a family, when you are getting old. There are 4 to 5 things that you must do. First thing is that does not matter how much you earn, you have to start saving. Save at least 10% of your salary. Does not matter what is the situation. Avoid having a meal, avoid having a shirt you want to buy, avoid having the desired vehicle. Just save 10%. Once you saved 10% till 1 year or 2 year, put it as emergency fund. So the emergency fund should be for those days when you need the money, when there are some unforeseen circumstances. It will save your family, it will save you from the bigger problems. So once that is done, keep on saving 10%. That 10% you can invest. Once you are done with the emergency fund should be at least 5 to 6 months of your expenses. And then you go to having the financial freedom. Financial freedom means that you are passive income is giving you enough money that you, without actively working, can bear your routine expenses. So what you can do, you can keep on saving 10%, and for that 10% you have to have some long-term game. That long-term game can be, first of all, having a mutual fund in initial days, because you are saving, you do not have much amount. Once you have enough amount in the mutual fund into 4 to 5 years, then you can go for buying stocks, stable stocks, that stable well-known companies. And after even those things, once you are done with the enough stocks, then you can invest into the real estate, because real estate often demands much more money. And ultimately it is all about wise investment and wise saving. You have to, normally people, when they say they have to save, in any case they forget saving and investing on themselves. So I said 10% of your salary you must save. So basic division is that 50% should go to your needs, 20% if you can save, wonderful, otherwise at least save 10%, and 20% must be go to your wants or desires or things you want to buy, things you want to use. And after that you must also invest 10% on your own improvement, for the courses, for the key things that you want to learn in life. Thank you.